Hello guys, my Treasure here. Today we're playing Call of Duty The Forest. Yeah, this map made by Doc SJ, and yeah, the description down below to his link of his YouTube channel. Also, the map download is in the description. Yeah, also those are also in the downloads. So yeah, and it's gonna play this map. Also, it says that we need the difficulty area. Let's do it. And yeah, let's play it now. Also, wait. Come up P. It is. No. This is the zombies. No. Don't come. Go back to your dead. Yeah, kill them. No. So there's a lot of torch now. I just can't discover this. So guys, I think we play the Call of Duty the real game. So I already know about this. So oh. There's a torch. I don't want this. So it's in here, torch. Oh Lord, spawn. I think that yeah. So that is a jungle. Oh, not in the cave. I don't like the cave. Yeah, I don't like the caves. Oh, it's a passport. What? Maybe what's Spanish a good burial, lol. Yeah. Different percent burial. So these are the spawns. Let's oh no. Not today, sir. Not today. Not today. I said not today. Not today, sir. Not today. Only tomorrow. Not today. No zombie please. I'm gonna take these, and these. What else? Let's see. Something down here. Just a torch. Experiment. Excuse me, sheep. Oh. What happened? Is that blood? No, I don't want to look. Now let's go. Oh, what is the blood? No, this must be a head of a doctor. I wonder what they were going. Let's touch them. Let's touch. Is this barrier block again? Let's throw the beds. Oh. Well, the road just also does it. Yeah, this second number. Wait, I think my volume is here. There we go. There, this complete was really? Oh my god. I need boots. That pretty scared me. I need books when you have a computer. You need books because you have no computers. No. Not today. But let's do it. No. It's a torch. Kill that girl. There. It's a torch. The only here is skeleton. Let's increase our volume. Hear everything. But first number 5. What? Not torch. Yeah. Did he just put a torch? I'm just joking, guys. So yeah, I'll play a while from here, and I just see this. The first is number 5. So I figured it out, guys. You know, a while ago we just rotate some arrows. This, and this in the direction of the door, and yeah. So the first one is number 5. Yeah, let's go down. And the second one is number 4. As you can see right here, number 4. And now let's go find some sign. So nothing in here. Let's go outside. Not a cave system. No, but in here, so don't come either. So monsters won't spawn. Yeah, another zombie. Yeah. Oh, you just drop an iron. Yeah. So next. Wait. Let's go to. Oh no, I'm very hungry. Not today. Not today, sir. Not today. No. Oh, he just dropped a potato. Where'd that zombie go? So the first one is number 5. Wait. Also, it's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is no, not potato. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think it's number 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one is number 2. 1, 2. No? Why? Oh. So we need to find 2 signs. Cause was it the real? No. And what's in here? 40. No, 9. What? 7. Okay. What one is 7? So this one is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just just rotate this until the door. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. And run out, and that's it. So I'm very hungry. So you go in here. Thanks for playing, and shout out to General Pickles for the first one to play in this map and testing it. Check out him on his YouTube channel, General Pickles. The map made by Doc is just 77. So yeah. Also, the YouTube channel for him, was in the description down below. So yeah. Before we end this video, let me discover something. What's in here? Oh, a spider. Killed it with a bow. And a skeleton right there. Hey, you just hit me. How? Oh, just turn around. What a silly thing. Really? Yeah, there's a light over there. I don't know why. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And again, thanks for Doc S Jazz 77 for making this map. Also, General Pickles was General Pickle's channel was down below. So yeah, again guys, if you guys enjoy this, remember to leave a like right there and feel free to comment down below. I'm gonna see you guys later.